Better than these?
But this is as low as it goes. That means I turn it off and I can't do that. Keep looking down, okay?
20 feet.
This is the size of the glass. Today we're going to Heart's Eye doctor appointment. That's her Heart. Say hi. Absent siya karon sa iyang school. For reason. Kaya na siya doctor appointment a month ago. Exam nila ngayon araw. Pero bigyan daw siya ng exam tomorrow. And this is my husband. Our daddy David is driving. Excited na siya sa iyahang buwan. Eyeglasses. Excited na ka, Heart? Excited na ka, gamay? Don't shy if you have a question na i-ask mo. Ingat na gati para ko.
Now we gotta look for Bethany. I don't think we passed it.
Not this one.
No. This is California, right?
Medyo naligaw pa kami ng konti kasi lumagpas kami ng traffic light, but finally napuntahan at nakita na rin namin ang kanyang Envision Eye Care Clinic dito sa Florida. Na-required na kami nung nag-medical kami sa St. Luke sa Pilipinas before pagpunta dito na kailangan ng glasses ni Heart, but sinabi ko na dito na kami kukuha. So ayun, finally now is the day for her. Pagpasok namin, ito na pina-fill up kami ng form para may record siya sa clinic. And ayun na nga, chinek ni Heart kung tama bang nakasulat na pangalan at nakalagay sa kanyang insurance kasi tinanggap yung insurance namin dito. So far, si Heart medyo excited na siya at naghihintay na magkakaroon na siya ng kanyang glasses. So nag-absent nga pala to siya sa school para sa kanyang eye doctor check-up today. Matutupad na yung eye vision check-up mo. Yung eyes mo, tingnan mo yung eyes mo. May dumi. Wala na?
Wala. Parang Korean na ako sa kasi.
Korean.
Free Korean means
Korea, Asian ka dahil hindi ka Korean. Asian man din Korean? Asian ba? So, maraming glasses ang pagpipilian. Ito naman, ito yung mga branded na mga Gucci, Chanel, Nine West, ano pa ba to? Maraming klase. Yung mamahalin, my gosh. Hindi namin to kaya. Hindi, kahit pa i-cover mo ng insurance yan. Magkanda kuba-kuba ka na magtrabaho, hindi mo pa rin mababayaran. So, doon kami sa... Mahal din yung napili niya, Nine West for kids, pero medyo mura ng kaunti kaysa dyan sa adults. Kasi yan siya, pag natamaan ng araw, magda-dark siya. So, bale, dual yung kanyang gamit nitong glasses na to.
A few minutes later.
No? Can you read the top letters?
I can only read, yeah.
You can't read anything up there? Okay.
Are you sure, Nak?
How about that?
C S T G Z.
Yeah.
That's all I can read.
Really? That's
Good.
big.
You got the top one.
Bad vision.
Okay. And then if you put this over your left eye,
1,
just try and always look at yourself in there, okay?
2.
I'm going to try one more time, okay?
1,
Mm-hmm.
1, 2.
Okay.
1,
Okay, try not to look at my fingers.
1.
Now follow this with your eyes and not your head.
And then you can read the bottom line over there. LZTCP.
Can't read nothing. I can't read.
When they do,
I can't read the third or fourth line.
I know. But when they
Or the
slide the
second.
lenses in front of you, you will be able to read it.
Yeah. Look,
You have to put more.
it's a skin. I peeled up the skin.
Oops.
She's buta.
Oh.
She's a buta.
What does the
Sige,
numbers
basahin mo.
mean?
You're 20 feet.
This
You're supposed
this
to
is
see
the
it.
size of the glass, the grado of the eyeglasses that you need. This one is down. This is the highest that you're reading.
250 by 20.
This one is the low, small, medium, large, extra large, like that. That's the size of the letter you're reading.
I think the optometrist will explain it to you. And so don't pick at that.
Crank it into place, line y'all up. Is that okay there? Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna take one eye out of the picture for a moment. So we're doing one eye.
TVM.
Good job.
Wow.
Nice job.
Oh,
We're
that's
good
too
this side.
tiny.
Is it better here on 1? Or is it better here on 2?
1.
What about 3 or 4?
They all look the same.
That's okay. That's alright. How about this way? Better 1 or better 2?
2.
Right on. You're doing awesome, kiddo. Alright, we're gonna keep going here. Better 1, better 2.
Better 1.
1 it is.
Mhm.
Better 3, better 4.
Better 3.
3 there? Okay.
No, 4.
4 there? Okay. We do it a few times, whatever you got, okay? Whatever you need. How about 1 or 2?
2.
Nice. Better 3, better 4.
4.
You're rocking it. You're doing good. But this is as low as it goes. If it goes lower, it means I turn it off, and I can't do that. See ya.
That wouldn't be a good test.
Not really, no. Now, see this little guy right here? I want to put this up by your eye. By your eye, so I can look inside, okay? So for this part, I want you to look right here at this knobby. All right, ready? Just comes up by. I'll touch your eyebrow, maybe your nose, just for support. Right on.
There's a bright line.
Look crazy, isn't it? And that's as low as it goes. Can you imagine how high it gets? Great.
Mm.
It's like sitting on the sun.
Mm.
All right, we do the same thing. So let me touch your brow or your cheek, nose, something like that. Doing really, really, really good. Good. I'm gonna come away with that. And just look at a couple little things. I'm gonna touch your eyelid, okay? Just kind of pull a little bit. Now can you look all the way down for me? I'm gonna touch your upper lid. Keep looking down, okay?
Betsy Johnson.
Otis and Piper, which we do not have that command. So, absolutely.
No?
Just try one on. Way too big for your face, kiddo.
Better than these?
Da, 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 da.
But you can hold them for now. Keep
Okay.
in mind,
They, like,
Walmart
fit
does
really
have a
good,
huge selection of kids' frames as well.
Finally, nakapili na rin kami at kulay beige naman yung in-order namin na size ng kanyang glasses. At by the way, waiting for 2 weeks ang kanyang glass lens na for order.
They didn't cover the frames, so I had to cover the frames. Pay for the frames.
So, ito na yung kanyang glasses. Ilang glasses ni Heart ngayon?
Is that a video?
I look so pretty. I look
Yeah, it's a video.
Korean.
Don't do a video.
It's okay. It's a little bit video.
Mama.
So, if you guys new to our channel, please like and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell button para ma-notify kayo sa next namin na upload video. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Gigapos akong kamot. Heart! Nahirapan ako.
Bye.
Sige na, bye!
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.